Hello students, today we are going to see the same concept which we have studied yesterday. Okay, so some more examples we are going to take as a practice. Okay, so see here, what is the first question? What is the name of or topic? Concept is determining the values of an unknown involved in the quadratic equation when the nature of the roots is given. Okay, here nature of the roots is given. Okay. So see carefully here, if minus 5 is the root of quadratic equation 2x square plus px minus 15 is equal to 0 and the quadratic equation p into x square plus x plus k is equal to 0 has equal roots, find the value of k. Find the value of k. Okay. Now see here. The question, if minus 5 is the root of the quadratic equation 2x square plus px minus 15. Okay, so given equation is 2x square plus px minus 15 is equal to 0 and minus 5 is the root. Okay, and minus 5 is the root of the given equation. Okay, root of this equation. So definitely this is the root of the equation, means we can put at the place of x we can put minus 1. Okay, so that now we are going to take here, put in minus 5 in the given equation. In the given x is equal to minus 5. X is equal to minus 5 in the given equation because this is the root. So 2 into minus 5 square plus p into minus 5 minus 15 is equal to 0. Okay, so minus 5 square will be 25. 25 to the 50 minus 5p minus 50 is equal to 0. Okay, so 50 minus 15 will be 35. 50 minus 15 will be 35. 35 minus 5p is equal to 0. So 35 is equal to 5p. So p is equal to 35 divided by 5. So 5 sevens are 35. So p is equal to 7. Value of p is 7. Okay, value of p is 7. Getting everyone? So now what they are asking? This is and the quadratic equation p into x square plus x plus k is equal to 0 has equal roots. Okay, this is the given quadratic equation and it has equal roots. Equal roots means what? Discriminant will be 0. D is equal to 0. Okay, so here we can write p into x square plus x plus k is equal to 0 has equal roots. So which condition will be satisfied? D is equal to 0. D is equal to 0. D means what? B square minus 4ac. So now B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So how you get B square minus 4ac is equal to 0? Before that we need to put the value of P in the given equation. Okay, so put P is equal to 7. Put in P is equal to 7 in given equation. Okay, so here directly I am taking now p is equal to 7. So 7 into x square plus x plus k is equal to 0. Okay, so now solve this bracket. 7x square plus 7x plus k is equal to 0. So we have the quadratic equation now. Understood? We have a quadratic equation who has equal roots. So from this we will find out b square minus 4ac. Okay, so what is b square minus 4ac? B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. What is b here? 7 square. B is 7 minus 4 into a. What is a? A is 7 and c is k is equal to 0. So that I am taking 7 square. 7 square will be 49. 7 square is 49. 7 fours are 28. 28 into k. 28 k is equal to 0. Okay, so 49 is equal to 28k. So k equals to 49 divided by 28. So k equals to 7 4s are 28, 7 7s are 49. So 7 by 4. Okay, so value of k is 7 by 4. Got it everyone? See carefully once again. I am repeating the procedure which we have done. Minus 5 is the root of the given equation. So we have taken at the place of x minus 5. So after solution you will get the value of p is 7. Okay. So again one equation is given who has equal roots. So at the place of p we have taken the value which we have got here. So 7 into x square plus x plus k. When you will solve that time again you will get the quadratic equation. We have to find out here value of k. So this equation has equal roots. So equal roots means b is equal to 0. So according to that b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So after solution you will get k is equal to 7 by 4. Okay. Okay. See here our second example is if p, q, r are real and p is not equal to q, then show that the roots of the equations p minus q x square plus 5 into p plus q into x minus 2 into p minus q is equal to 0 are real and unequal. Okay, are real and unequal. Okay, so from this condition you will come to know that what is the condition of D, discriminant. What is the condition? D will be, definitely D will be greater than the 0 because roots are real and unequal. Okay, so D is greater than the 0. So this is the first thing which we are going to use. Okay, so once again see, if P, Q, R are real and P is not equal to Q, this is also a condition which is given. P and Q are not same. Okay, then show that the roots of the equations p minus q x square plus 5 into p plus q into x minus 2 into p minus q is equal to 0 are real and unequal. Okay, so the given equation is p minus q x square plus 5 into p plus q into x minus 2 into p minus q is equal to 0. Okay, this is the given equation. Now d is greater than 0. What they are asking, show that the roots of the equation are real and unequal. Means we have to show discriminant, that is d of the equation, is greater than 0. That we have to show. If we are able to show that d is greater than 0, then that is our proof. Okay, so we will think about that. So first I am taking here a is equal to, what is the value of a here? Ax square. We have to equate this with ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, so p minus q x square. So that is a is equal to p minus q. Okay, what is b? B is equal to 5 into p plus q, and c is equal to minus 2 into p minus q. Okay, this is the value of c. So here we have to show d is greater than the 0. So first we will find out d. So d is equal to b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac. Okay, so what is b? Put here value of b 5 p plus q bracket square, because b square minus 4 into a. What is a? A is p minus q, and c is minus 2 into p minus q. Okay, so now we will solve this. That is 5 square will be 25, p plus q square. Okay, there is multiplication in between this and this bracket, so minus into minus will be plus, 4 2s are 8, and p minus q into p minus q will be p minus q brackets. Okay, so this we have got here after the solution of this step. Okay, so 25 p plus q bracket square plus 8p minus q bracket square. Okay, this is here the value of p and q is not given, but one thing is given, that is p and q is not equal. P and q is not equal. Okay, so if I am thinking about the particular term, if I am thinking about term 25 plus 25 p plus q bracket square, if I am thinking about particular term, so p and q is not equal, so definitely the value of this is greater than 0, because p and q is not equal. Okay, why? You can put any value. So if p, suppose I am taking 1 and q is 2, so 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 square 25 into 9, so definitely we will get a positive value which is greater than the 0. Okay, so value of this is greater than 0. What? Now second term, suppose I am thinking about second term, what is that? 8 into p minus q bracket square. Okay, so this is also greater than 0. Same value, if we take here 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2 is minus 1, minus 1 square will be 1, 8 into 1 is 8, which is greater than 0. So here also 8 is 8 into bracket p minus q is greater than 0. So here also we can see the same condition, we are using this. Okay, so if this term is greater than 0 and second term is also greater than 0, then definitely sum of both the terms will be greater than 0. Understood? So we can say 25 p plus q bracket square plus 8 into p minus q bracket square is greater than 0. Hence we can show that, we can see here the roots of the equation are here and unequal. Okay, hence the roots of the equation are real and unequal. Real and unequal. Okay, got it everyone? So such type of examples can be solved by this way also. Okay, because here particular value of p and q is not given, so we need to use this methods. Okay, see here our third example is find the value of k for which the equation x square plus 5kx plus 16 is equal to 0 has no real roots. Okay, so this is depend on the third condition. What is the value of d here? D is smaller than 0. Okay, d is smaller than 0. This definitely d will have a negative. Okay, so see carefully. Given equation is x square plus 5kx plus 16 is equal to 0. X square plus 5kx plus 16 is equal to 0. This is the given equation. Okay, now find the value of k for which the equation x square plus 5kx plus 16 has no real roots. Okay, equation has no real roots. Okay, so definitely d is smaller than 0. That is b square minus 4ac is smaller than 0. b square minus 4ac is smaller than 0. Okay, so from this equation we will find out first b square minus 4ac. Okay, so what is b? B means coefficient of x, that is 5k bracket square minus 4 into a. What is a? A is 1 and c is 16 is smaller than 0. Okay, so 5k square will be 5k square 25 k square minus 16 4s are 64 is smaller than 0. Okay, now suppose I will take this equation, I will write 25 into k square minus 64 upon 25 is smaller than 0. Okay, we have divided by, we have taken 25 common. and here we have divided by 25. Means this equation and this equation is same. Okay, why we are doing this, that also I will explain you. 25 we have taken here, see 25 into k square, 25 k square, 25 into 64 upon 25, 25 will be cancelled, 64 will remain as it is. So again you will get the same equation. Okay, so why we have done here, see carefully. Yesterday we have seen an important result. What was that? Yesterday we have seen x square minus a square, x square minus a square is smaller than 0. When it is possible? When x is greater than minus a and smaller than plus a. X is greater than minus a and smaller than plus a. Okay, so this result yesterday we have seen. So the same result we are going to use here. And for that we have done this. Okay, what we have done? 25 we have taken outside, k square minus 64 upon 25. Now see this 25 will move that side. 0 divided by 25, that will be 0. So what you will get next day? K square minus 64 upon 25 is smaller than 0. So what we can write here? K square minus 8 upon 5. 8 upon 5 square is smaller than 0. Okay, we got the same result. X square minus a square is smaller than 0. So what we can write here? X value is k is greater than minus 8 upon 5, that is a. Square root of a square is a, minus 8 upon 5, and k is smaller than plus 8 upon 5. Okay, k is greater than minus 8 upon 5 and k is smaller than plus 8 upon 5. Okay, why we have done according to this result. Okay, x square minus a square is smaller than 0 because minus in that condition x is greater than minus a and smaller than plus a. So as per that we have done this. Okay, so once again see carefully, find the value of k. Value of k. This value of k is greater than minus 8 by 5 and smaller than plus 8 by 5. Okay, so value of k. What is the value of k here? Can you tell me? What is the value of k? K is greater than minus 8 by 5 and plus smaller than plus 8 by 5. So see b square minus 4ac. This equation we have taken smaller than 0 because no real roots. Then we have taken 25 outside. K square minus 64 upon 25. 25 will be here. So that is 0. K square minus 64 by 25. So according to this result we have done this. Okay, so see carefully, a little bit different example we have tried to take. Okay, so solve this and solve. Okay, see here one more example we are going to see, that is prove that the equation x square in bracket a square plus b square plus 2x into ac plus bd plus c square plus d square is equal to 0 has no real roots. Okay, so what is the given equation? Given equation is x square into a square plus b square plus 2x ac plus bd plus c square plus d square is equal to 0. This is the given equation. Okay, and what they have told us has no real roots. Okay, given equation is equal to 0 has no real roots. Equation does not have real roots. Okay, so this is given, nature of the roots is given, no real roots. No real roots means what? The discriminant d is smaller than the 0. No real roots. Okay, means b square minus 4ac is smaller than 0. So we have to find out this one. B square minus 4ac is smaller than 0. So that we have to prove. Okay, you must know what we need to show according to the question. Okay, so if we are able to prove that b square minus 4ac is smaller than 0, then that is the proof of the given equation. Okay, so that we don't have to consider from the starting of this solution. We don't have to consider, we have to prove that. Okay, so that is now what we are going to find out. B square minus 4ac, B square minus 4ac, that we are going to find out. Okay, from this quadratic equation. Okay, so what is B square, what is B? B is the coefficient of x. So 2 in bracket AC plus BD bracket square. Okay, minus 4 is minus 4 into A. What is A? A square plus B square into C square plus D square. Okay, B square minus 4 is C. So we have taken this minus 4 into A square plus B square into C square plus D square. Okay, so we will solve for the 2 square is 4 AC plus BD bracket square minus this will be product 4 into A square plus B square into C square plus D square. Okay, now see there are two terms, this is first and this is second. Which is the common factor in both the terms? 4. Which is common factor? 4. So that I am taking outside. So 4 in bracket AC plus BD bracket square, 4 we have taken, minus A square plus B square and C square plus D square. Okay, so that we have taken outside. Okay, so now what we can solve? We can solve this bracket. We can solve this bracket. Okay, so now 4 I am keeping as it is. Okay, so A plus B bracket square, according to this we will expand this. So first term square, A square C square plus B square D square plus product of these two, it's twice. So 2 times AC BD, 2 times AC BD. Okay, now what we are going to do here, minus sign is as it is. So minus A we will multiply to both the terms. Okay, so what you will get here, minus A into, or here if you are getting confusion, you can keep as it is and you can find out product of this, and afterwards also you can change the signs, no problem. So see, I am taking here this A square, this bracket A square plus B square into C square plus D square. Okay, so that bracket I am taking here, and here we will use curly. Okay, so we can solve more easily. Otherwise, directly also you can find out product, no problem. So now I am taking this here. 4 we will keep as it is outside. So in bracket A square C square plus B square D square plus 2ABCD. Minus that I am taking here now downside, minus this will be product, find out A square into C square, A square C square, A square into D square plus A square into D square. Okay, now B square into C square plus B square into C square plus B square into D square. Okay, bracket complete. Okay, now we are going to change the sign. So 4 I am keeping as it is. So what is remaining here? Bracket A square C square plus B square D square plus 2ABCD. Okay, minus A square C square minus, due to this minus sign, signs will change, A square D square minus B square C square minus B square D square. Okay, now additive inverse we will cancel, plus AC square and this will be cancelled. Okay, minus BD square plus BD square will be cancelled. Now what is remaining here? Minus AD square minus BC square and minus 2ABC, that is remaining. So all the 3 terms we will use once again. 4 in bracket 2ABCD minus A square D square minus B square C square. Okay, so these things are remaining in the bracket. Okay, so now what we can do, we can take this minus sign outside. Okay, so what is going to happen? Minus 4, minus sign we have taken common, so this will be positive. Okay, so that what I am writing, this I am taking AD bracket square. This will be also positive plus BC bracket square, and this will be negative because minus sign we have taken common. So 2ABC. Okay, 2ABC. Now see here ADBC. Here AD, here BC. Okay, so can we write this like this? Minus 4 in bracket. How we can write this? AD minus BC bracket square. AD minus BC bracket square. See carefully. AD first term square, second term square, product of these two, AD into BC is twice. Okay, so minus 4 in bracket AD minus BC bracket square. Okay, now we have to decide here something. See, AD minus BC. Here what is given condition? AD minus BC. AD and BC is not equal. AD and BC is not equal. Okay, so that is given in the question. Here in question given, if AD is not equal to BC, this is given. I forgot to write here. AD and BC is not equal. Okay, so if AD and BC is not equal, definitely this will be positive because values are different. AD is not equal to BC. AD and BC is not equal, so definitely this value will be positive. So that I am taking here. That I am taking now here. AD minus BC bracket square will be definitely greater than this one because AD is not equal to BC. AD is not equal to BC. Okay, but minus 4 is smaller than 0. Minus 4 is negative value. Minus 4 is smaller than 0. That is negative value. Okay, so this is greater than this 0, but this is smaller than 0. So what we can say? What we can say about the whole term? So minus 4 into AD minus BC bracket square is smaller than 0 because this is negative term. So whole term will be negative, and which is smaller than 0. Smaller than 0 is what? It has no real roots. So hence the given equation has no real roots. No real roots. Okay, see carefully. This is important example. Little bit lengthy process, but easy to understand. Okay, nothing we have done according to the rules. Only we have done this. So see carefully and solve the same sum also in your note. Thank you.